Olivia Saez. For St. Patrick's Day, we're going to make these awesome cake pops. Super easy to do, believe it or not, with just a little bit of candy and some nice chocolate. To get started, you'll need to make sure that you do your filling properly. So a cake pop is a mix of cooked cake and icing, and you want to mash it up very thoroughly so that it consistently can hold into a ball. Once you mash up your cake and you have a perfect consistency, you're going to roll each cake into a ball. Make sure it's nice and uniform and in a perfect circle. Place it on a piece of parchment paper and prepare your sticks and dip the stick into the chocolate to create a holder for the cake pop. So you're going to insert this into the cake just like this. Then from there, once we have all of the sticks in place for our cake pops, we're ready to start dipping. And to create this awesome pot of gold, we'll need to do a little bit extra of chocolate on the very top of the cake pop. So we'll go ahead and we'll dip this and make sure it's completely coated. And then we'll just put a little bit of extra here, and then we'll press this into our parchment paper. And we'll just make sure that it goes a little bit extra so you can see the lip is forming around the chocolate. So what we'll do is we'll let this set and make sure that it's completely dry. Once it's all set, we'll just turn this over. We'll add a little bit of extra chocolate so our candies will hold. We'll find some nice yellow candies and just dip them right on top. Add a few extra like this. If you want to add a few extra sparkles of sugar just to make it shine a little bit more, go ahead. If not, that's okay too. And then we'll let this dry. Once it's dry, wrap it with a plastic bag and a tie, and you are all done. Happy St. Patrick's Day.